All right, today I'm talking about bike racks. Specifically this one-up bike rack, the heavy duty, the quick rack. This thing has been in production for 20 years. If you bought this 20 years ago and you break a part on this rack, you can go on their website and you can order whatever part you need. One time my wife backed into a dumpster. We just were able to spend $100 on replacement parts and get it going. The one-up heavy duty bike rack is the rack to go if we're talking about tray style racks. And that's what this video is talking about. So I bought this Young Electric bike rack off Amazon, I think. It was $200. It was cheap. I've used it for a year. It's fine. It's dependable. This type of rack reminds me a lot about Thule or Yakima. It's a steel bike rack. It's made overseas. It'll get the job done for 5 to 10 years, I'm sure. But in my opinion, the only tray style bike racks you should be buying is either the one-up brand that will last decades. It's twice as much, sometimes more, than the cheap Young Electric. But for the life of me, I cannot understand why people buy Thule and Yakima and all these other steel-based bike racks that are tray mounts that don't last that long. I mean, they last years, but they don't last forever. And there's a lot of American brands that I'm getting sick of, like Garmin, but One-Up USA, there is no other brand that has parts in stock for the bike racks they made 20 years ago. These racks are awesome. Let me pan out to my other car here. All right, we got the 4-bike rack. This is a lot of bike racks. You know, that's 4x. I had a Mountain Tech basket hanging bike rack for the past year. And for me, if you're doing more than 3 bikes, for me, that is a better option to go with. But my wife is 5 foot and she could never really get comfortable hanging the bikes into the basket, lifting them up. So we went back to the one-up and she likes it. I don't mind it. It takes, if you're gonna do the 4-bike rack one-up, it will take 1 to 2 minutes longer to load up and unload your bikes than it would take if you had the hanging bike racks. And I've only had one hanging bike rack brand. I've only tried out one of those, so my opinions on the baskets type bike racks isn't as informed. I've had Quad, I've had the Young Electric, I've had a lot of tray style bike racks, and really nothing can come close to the one-up bike rack. You know, it's made in the USA. The most important thing is it's rebuildable. These, I could not find the difference between a one-up quick rack and a one-up heavy duty. I'm like, it weighs half a pound more. What is the difference? I found out the difference because my attachments, I buy, hey Buttons is chilling. I buy the heavy duty base, and then I just buy the quick rack attachments, and I'm gonna show you the difference. All right, we'll get down here. So can you see this? So this is the quick rack. There's no aluminum in the middle here. It's milled out. And that makes it so the weight, you can only put 50 pounds on this bike rack. This is complete piece of aluminum. It's not milled out. Maybe there's other differences, but the heavy duty, you can put on a 65-pound bike. The quick rack is rated just for 50 pounds. So if I was to put a e-bike on any of these regularly, I would buy the heavy duty. I'd spend the extra few bucks. They do have a new version of the release lever here. So it's like called one-handed loading. Let's show you this. And you could just, I went with the old version. The new version is $70 more per tray. And I just don't think it's necessary. One little hack I did on this bike rack, because when the bikes are so far out, to help my wife load them up more, we don't e-bike really. I have my e-bike t-shirt. It says floaties on the down tube. So no e-bikers have bought it yet, but I thought it was just a funny little shirt. You can buy it. Anyway, so this bike rack, I have their quick release. I'll take it out. So you can lower this out of the way. You can lower that out of the way so you can load up your bike straight through that way instead of having to put it up this way. And you can get these little attachments. They're based on the loading ramp. You can buy the spare parts for this though, but yeah, it's the loading ramp thing. I didn't buy the ramp. I didn't know what to do with the ramp. I don't think I need the ramp, but yeah, One Up USA is the bike rack to get. For the life of me, I just cannot understand why people still buy steel-based bike racks when they're just gonna fall apart. Young Electric, there's a lot of videos out there these days for them. They're a fine product. I guess they make a kind of a copycat of this because this has been in production so long that it's out of patent. So they make a copycat version of this that I guess is steel, and it has a 100-pound per bike rating. Yeah, if you need a 100-pound per bike rating, you might want to buy the $400 Outfitter Copycat Rack over the One Up Super Duty. The One Up Super Duty is like $900, $1,000. But if you're gonna bike forever, I would buy the One Up. I would buy the One Up. I also have all the fancy attachments for this. I have the, let me get this back on. I have the locking plate for the hitch mount. I've got, should I find something to complain about? This pull lever is very difficult to use. So if they could engineer an easier way to pull this out, because when you have 4 bikes on it, the pull lever, I'll just put it right here. There's no way my wife's gonna get that to move this up and down. So before she goes out on a ride, I have to lower it for her. If there was a better way to get this mechanism pulled up, that would be awesome. But yeah, I have the locking plate. This is like 80 bucks. This, I have this lock to lock the attachments onto it. I paid MSRP. I paid what the website says for this bike rack. And I think it's a great deal. Even if you're not getting a deal, if you're not getting a discount code, it's still a great value because, have I said it before? The rebuildability of this bike rack is amazing. The part supply for decades is amazing. The aluminum is amazing. It's not gonna rust. So, if you're looking for a tray rack, buy the One Up. Just suck it up. You pay way more for your bikes. Your bikes don't last as long as these things. These racks last longer than bikes. Have a good day, everybody. That's the One Up heavy duty bike rack review. Buttons is watching us. Can you see him? Is he in the shot? He's right there. Subscribe to my channel for more Buttons and more me. See you later.